Just after Thanksgiving, I ordered myself a cross-stitch kit manufactured by a company that I had never heard of before. I ordered from mybobbin.com, which I have seen positive reviews on YouTube, so I felt safe placing my order, especially because this kit was really affordable. And it is like nothing I have seen. If you watch my videos, you might know that I love old oil lamps. And on some of the other kits I've done, I've been fascinated by how they use shading to create the look of metal. And this image just makes me swoon. It is called Lamps, and I have no idea how to pronounce the name of this company, even when it is written out in English. So I'm just going to put it on the screen and let you look at it and not let me hear me mutilate those words. Let's unbox it and see what we've got, because like I said, I had never heard of this company before. I was looking at Riola's kits on my bobbin and saw this image and absolutely fell in love. I've already taken it out of the plastic because there is nothing to be gained by seeing the overhead light reflect and hearing all the crackling. Like I said, I am swooning, and I have already peeked in here. The chart is very similar to the charts in the Riola's kits I already own. It looks extremely readable. There is a whole lot of contrast in the symbols, and I am just giving you enough of a corner to let you get an idea of what is here. It is on... I'm not going to debate over whether that is black or navy blue. I think it is black, but if you told me it was navy, I would not argue with you. The threads are arranged on a card, and this is where I might get myself into trouble because I don't see... It's not pre-numbered, and I am going to look and see if I can decipher this off of the chart. I think I have an idea of what they might have done, and if I'm right, everything is going to be okay. I may or may not be in trouble here. The chart does not, anywhere that I can find, tell you how many strands of each color there are. They're separated, so that at least gives me a starting point. Now, what I am hoping, and I can't quite figure out, it is possible. If this is pale lemon, this is white, this is lemon, light peach, light caramel, peach caramel, light brown, golden brown, brown, pale pink, copper pink, light copper, pink. These may be on this card in the order they are listed in the chart. I hope desperately that that is what they have done, but I'm not 100% confident. And if you have worked with a kit from this company before and you know, please let me know. I will update you once I start this and let you know if it has actually worked out that way or not. Fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, I think that this gorgeous, gorgeous image is created by having colors that shade together. And I hope that they are in order on the chart so that I can make this work. I love it enough that I am going to give it a shot, but I have got so many other projects I am starting in January. I had thought I would start this immediately, but now I'm thinking there might be some other things that I need to do first. I will keep you updated when I start this in my Flosstube videos, and I will let you know how it works out. I hope it works out well. And now I want to share my experience ordering with my bobbin. This is not sponsored by them. I have never ordered from them before. I had been seeing, when I was searching for Riola's kits to find links to put in the descriptions for my videos, that Some of their prices on the Reolist kits were much better than Amazon. But you are ordering from Russia, and I am one of those people. I will order from Etsy. I will order from Amazon. I will stick what is familiar and what I know will work. This is a surprisingly inexpensive kit. It was only $19.95 regular price, and with the Black Friday sale, the kit and shipping came to just under $20, which for a good size kit, what is the size on this? Yeah, it's there somewhere. It's a good size kit, so I thought that was a great deal. And one of the things that really entertains me, on the packaging, it says that there is no expiration date. So I don't have to stitch it right away. The manufacturer told me so. I'm curious if that is like some of the really interesting packaging warnings that we get here in the States. I ordered on November 23rd, and like I said, this came to me in Oregon from Russia. I had the package at my P.O. box by December 16th. That is much sooner than I had dared to hope for. And when it arrived, I gotta save these stamps and use them for something. Inside the package, it was Christmas wrapped, which I just think is the sweetest touch. I will definitely be ordering from My Bobbin again because they've got some Reolist kits that I would love to have. And assuming that I can get these floss colors figured out, I love this kit, and I am just excited. The chart and the color and the images and everything except for my fear about that floss, and I think it might just be my own fear because I tend to get projects that I dearly want to do and then I panic. I will admit it. I get skittish. So let me know, have you done anything by this company before? Because I have not seen it anywhere that I know that I've seen it. Let me know in the comments section below. I will let you know how this all works out. And for the moment, I am very excited, very happy, and a little bit apprehensive. Just look at the details and look at the doily, and I love this. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my Romantic Tangle, and I will be back with you with more videos soon. And if you know more companies that do charts in this style, please let me know, because maybe it's time for me to broaden my horizons a bit.